Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you another great design from Twosun Knives. This is the model number TS263, so a little bit older model, but it was one that did include Micarta inlays. So we have another great design from the original knife designer for Twosun, which is a night morning design. This was probably one of their first front flipping knives that they introduced, probably somewhere around mid last year or so on. I wanted to buy this one earlier, but one got when I got it got lost in transit, so I was sent another model as a compensation. So really excellent service from Twosun. So let me give you the quick specifications rundown. So we have an overall length of 21 centimeters, which is 8.3 inches. The blade is 9.3 centimeters or 3.6 inches, with the cutting leg of 8.8 centimeters or 3.5 inches. The handle is 12 centimeters or 4.7 inches. The blade width is 3 centimeters or 1.2 inches. The blade thickness is 3.6 millimeters or 0.14 inches. The handle thickness is 1.4 centimeters or 0.5 inches, and the blade features a 14C28N stainless steel. Is also marked here, and the morning design logo. The handle is like the majority of Twosun higher-end Twosun knives, made out of TC4 titanium alloy, and this one has, like I mentioned, the canvas micarta inlays, which is a brown canvas type. We have nice design with these cutouts here, which also function as a weight reduction. We have a nice large linear hole, 3D milled pocket clip, only one-sided, and usually they keep the pivot colors sterile, but on this one and on a couple other models did went with some inscriptions which says Twosun Knives made in Yangliang, China. The pivot runs on KBT ceramic ball bearings. It's really nice and smooth. Out of the box, exceptionally well made. Let me show you the sharpness. So extremely sharp. Has a really nice ergonomic flow, so it will fit all sizes of hands rather nicely. You have also a part here we can choke up, but keep in mind this portion here is sharp, so yeah. We have a nice modified Tento or modified Warncliffe. Yeah, probably modify work leaf shape blade with a false stoppage on the top. The weight comes at 118.4 grams or 4.2 ounces, so it's really nice and light. By today's standards, we have fairly standard, nicely made, so lock insert with hardness steel, probably the same steel as the blade. Nice machining around the frame lock, so it's really nice to put your finger in there and disengage the lock. Perfect centering, so yes, really not much I could fault this knife on. So Nine Morning does his designs very well. They fit in the hand and have a nice futuristic designs, which are functional, of course. You have plenty of belly there to all sorts of cutting tasks you would like to perform. So overall, beautifully made knife. So let me give you, I forgot the pocket profile. So let me show you the pocket profile, because this is, like I mentioned, I designed a specific pocket clip. So it goes very nicely in the pocket. This is how much it will stick out. So yeah. Really nice. So let me give you a few size comparisons. So let us start with Benchmade large reptilian. Then let us continue with Spyderco Delica, Red Model 1, Kershaw Blur, I have here one of my favorites from Twosun, the Model 111, also Nine Morning design. And I have here my 187 in Micarta from Mazvan Mokhtar, designed for Twosun. And these feature the same Micarta. Okay, let us continue with Buck Vintage Pro, Buck Sprint Pro in burlap micarta, and I have here my rustic gen from CVV. Also the Elementum in brown micarta from CVV. The Cebu from Twosun Knives, also great option if you like this combination of materials. My S Grand from Giant Mouse, and one more micarta option, which is the QSP Pelican. Okay, so overall I can say only good things by now about Twosun Knives. If you would like to know more about this brand, then I strongly suggest check out on YouTube or visit my playlist, and you will see I bought a lot of Twosun knives in the past. I'm probably collecting them since the start a couple of years ago, and their quality went just up, and they're keeping their prices really good. So this model is priced at $109.99, but usually what I recommend, go on eBay and check out their listings. They do offer a lot of models on eBay first, then they will be also available directly on AliExpress. I will link it down below, so if you're interested you can check it out. And yeah, beautifully made knife, nice design at affordable price with really good materials. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. And if you are a subscriber, then a big thumbs up to you. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes I also share my other hobbies, my other passions, like collecting watches and Warhammer stuff and books and so on. Okay, so wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.